Hi guys, welcome to the video number one for Excel fundamentals, and this is what I would do. I will start with you until you get proficient in Excel. So this is video number one and how to open the Excel and get familiar with the fundamentals for it. So you type Excel in your search. It will show on the desktop, or if you have it in the desktop you can just access it from here. I'm not thinking that you have it on the desktop. So you click on it and it will show you where to start. It will open directly a blank worksheet, but it usually starts like that. At In the home button you will see a blank workbook. Here you can take tours. We'll introduce you to it. Here you can see the templates. It have a lot of templates. You can use business, personal, planner and trackers, list, budget charts, calendar, and you can access them from here by just clicking on them simply. You can just click here and create it. I don't want to create that, so I will start with a blank worksheet. Blank worksheet. This is introduction to it. So this green one called quick access toolbar, you can edit it from here. You can customize it by adding or removing some of the functions it has, like automatically save, so you don't lose. I just moved it. I can bring it back here. And this called the ribbon. It have file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review. It might not have the power pivot or developer in your case because you didn't activate them, but we will get to that. Here you can customize the font, the size for the font, and you can insert shapes, links, emails, comments, and here you can customize the page layout. This is the ribbon. Just to be familiar with it, here you can you can choose the options that you have, what to do with the workbook. This called the name box. This is the name for the cell. This grid we call it the cell, and it's mostly unlimited until it run out of numbers, which that doesn't happen, but you will run out of memory for your laptop. So this is the name box for the cell. If I choose this cell, it will choose I horizontally, 13 vertically, I13. You can insert functions, you can enter a text, you can also name the cell the name you want. Name it whatever. That's what I will name it. Now I13 is I13 should be named whatever now. H10 is whatever. Now this is H10 whatever. This is H9. You can name the cell here too. So this is the name box, and this is the grid with the cells presented horizontally for the letters, vertically for the numbers. This is the status bar. You can zoom and unzoom, make it too small, or I'll just keep it on the 100. This is the normal size for it. You can right click on it and it will show you the options you can choose from it. This is called the worksheet. You can add a worksheet and you can delete a worksheet. Delete it, you go back. If you want to rename the worksheet, this is right click on the sheet itself. You can rename it, you can move it, and you can insert to it, and you can name it with just double click on it. Then you can write down the name, whatever name you want for. Okay. And we want to talk about the file, how to save, how to open a new workbook or a new Excel worksheet. To save is to click save, and you'll have multiple options here. What I have is OneDrive that I've never used, and I always use this PC or browse to put it somewhere where I want it to be. It have too many types. It has too many types to it. You can see how many types that you can save your workbook on. You can make it as a PDF. You can make it just Excel workbook, and you can name it as you want. This is for the Save tab. The Save As tab is the same, but it will make, if you already had a workbook and you just make a Save As will make another copy with your addition to it. What did you add, what did you remove? It will just make a duplicated copy for it, which is like second copy for what you had before editing that worksheet. And to open, you go back to the file. You can open a new worksheet where you find it here if you have worksheets, or if you can browse it from OneDrive or the worksheets that have been shared with you if you are in a job or sharing with people, or two persons working on an Excel document. So this is how you open it, or browse. It will show you the worksheets, the Excel documents you have. You can open them, and we already talked about the templates. And this is the fundamentals for it. Simply, that's what the Excel fundamentals are. And the names for the ribbon and the quick access toolbar and the status bar is also the same on PowerPoint and Word, so there's no difference. But with the functionality for the applications, yes, there is a big difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe for the channel, and we'll see you on next video. Thank you.